Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is another MBTA horn. This is actually 1059's horn. Now, the other MBTA horns you've seen, they've been all 80s horns pretty much, some transition era horns. With 1059, it has actually got a round tag horn. So it is 132K is the tag. So it's like, you know, early to mid 2000s range. Of course, in 2006 is when they went to the raised letter horns. This is a non-raised letter horn. With it is just a standard K5LA. It does have the MBTA cones. I'll turn it for you. Like I said, it's a narrow font horn with a tag. So anyway, just another standard K5LA. It's real dirty, that's why I got my gloves on. I do have the number board with this horn. I'll spin it around here, show you the number board. Now 1027, you saw it too. I had the number board for it too, but I didn't put it in the video. One thing I did do with 1027 is I had a run by with its restrictor in, as you saw. I had a restricted run by and an unrestricted. With 1059, it had a restrictor also. I didn't do a restricted run by, but that restrictor is what gives these horns, I guess they're kind of bad sound, you might say. MBTA, all their horns, for the most part, are restricted. Now, I do have 1055's horn. It's a K5L. It's kind of a hybrid, really, because I think it has a 3A on it. That's replacement bell. It did not have a restrictor, and if you notice other YouTube videos, everyone says that 1055 has the loudest horn. Well, that's why. But anyway, you'll see that horn in a later video. This is 1059, so I guess y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the MBTA K5LA 1059.